Hi guys, today I'm going to show you what are the best products that you can use for your beautiful hair extensions. We all know that we spend a lot of money to buy hair and we want to maintain the hair extension along with our hair. The best product that you can use for your hair extensions are, I have here, I love Lanza. Lanza product is really good for your hair extensions and it's also good for your own hair. So you got to make sure that you are taking care of both. This is a two-part hair extension product that you can use in your hair. I would say you can use this maybe once a month because this is sort of like an emergency. This is a keratin healing oil from Lanza. These products are not cheap, but they are really, really, really good products. You wash your hair with their shampoo. And then you're gonna proceed with part A, which is a thermal therapy. You put that in your hair and you do part B. You then wash that out as well. And you proceed with the conditioner so you can detangle your hair. So this is really good for conditioning. When you're experiencing breakage, and I always tell my ladies that are wearing hair extensions to always treat for breakage just because you put in your hair through, you know, more than normal stuff. It's not when you have your natural hair that it doesn't have any weight on it, you're not using a lot of tools. So make sure that you always do a repair conditioning in your routine. When you are not doing the emergency treatment, you can do the shampoo. And then this is a moisturizing mask. So you want to make sure that you keep moisture in your hair. You put this on and then you finish it up with the conditioner. You detangle your hair and you can style as normal. Another one of my favorite that I love, love, love so much is Olaplex. And I'm sure if you don't know about Olaplex, I don't know where you've been. I don't know, but Olaplex is really, really amazing. And before they used to have only the restructuring of your hair buns, right? It worked from the inside of the shaft and repair all of that and out. But now they also have the conditioner, the shampoo. They also have the moisturizing mask, which is the 4-in-1. If you are having issues with your hair extensions, they too heavy, you get them braids, they breaking, you get those bonds, and your hair is experiencing breakage, you can go to the salon. This is a in-salon only treatment, right? And this is good for people that color their hair. This is good for people that are experiencing breakage. And we mix number 1 and number 2, and this is left in your hair for 45 minutes, ladies. 45 minutes. This is only due in the hair salons, and trust me, it is really, really good. Even for my ladies that are also experiencing heat damage, because you know when you have hair extensions, you tend to flat iron your hair a whole lot. So this definitely help. And also if you loosen your curls from doing too much heating, you know, using too much heating tools, this actually help your curls to bounce back. So make sure that you ask for this at the hair salon. They also have leave-in conditioners. They have their shampoo and conditioner, which is those are all really, really, really good. K18 is also a very good deep conditioner, and this is molecular repair hair mist. So this is only like 4 minutes. You wash your hair, you don't do any deep conditioner, you actually spray this on your hair, and then you know you work it through and then you style as normal. So K18 is an express conditioner that you can have if you are experiencing damages in your hair, and if you are in the go and you don't have time, this takes literally 4 minutes in your hair and you don't have to wash it out. So this is one of my favorite too for repair. Moisture. We always have to make sure that we keep moisture in your hair so you can prevent breakage. And a lot of people often ask, how long do I need to deep condition my hair? Every time you wash your hair, you should deep conditioner. And I always tell my clients that you should alternate, right? Sometimes I do repair, 1 week I'll do repair. I wash my hair at least once a week. So every time I wash my hair, I either do a repair conditioner or I do a hydrating deep conditioner. And I love Biolage. Biolage is so good. They have this Ultra Hydra Source Deep Treatment Pack. You can find this at the salon. We have it here at our salon and it's very popular. But I always like to use deep conditioners with my shampoo. I like the whole line. So if I'm using Biolage, of course I'm gonna use shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm gonna use their treatment. I always like to use the same line on the brand that I'm using for deep conditioner, just because I believe that it works better, and that's based on experience. Another thing that I love to do is to oil my scalp, especially if you are doing hair extensions, right? You gotta make sure that your scalp is actually very moisturized, and this is a hair growth oil which will serve for both. You can put it on your scalp, you can put it all the way down your hair, and if you have frizzy hair, this actually helps. This has been proven that it grows hair. I have all of my friends calling me and telling me how much this has helped. It helps my daughter when she has braids. Also, I put it on and the braid doesn't look dry at all. She can wear them for a month. Of course, we wash her hair in between. If you get the Brazilian nuts hair extensions, if you get any sort of extension, you can always use this oil. You also can use the oil right before you're washing your hair. You can put it the night before, oil your whole entire hair or your scalp only, and then you can wash it out the next day. So this is Salon 809 hair growth oil, and trust and believe, this is really good for your hair. Another of my favorite, and this is made in-house, and this is made with natural products. So we use aloe, we use avocado, we use mayo, we use a mixture of oils. So we only use natural product to do this deep conditioner. It's pretty amazing. I mean, we love it. We've been doing this since 2015 and our clients love it. So this is an option. If you are in the area, you can come either purchase it. If we have it for purchase, sometimes we don't. But if you're in the area and you come to the salon, you can request it to have it put in your hair, and it only costs $20. Last but not least, and if you wear hair extensions, you should know what I'm talking about. But this is actually more amazing than you think, because Silicon Mix came out with a coconut oil mask and we love it. I actually brought this back from Dominican Republic. I haven't seen it here. It's possible that it's here, but I haven't seen it. So every time I go to the Dominican Republic, I make sure that I bring at least 12 of this so I can have it for my client. And this is very moisturizing. And if you are one of those that have hair extensions and your hair is all tucked in, you don't have hair out, this is the best deep conditioner, the best detangler for hair extensions. So if you're in the area, make sure you ask, make sure you come to the salon and get this done. So you already saw everything that I went through. I showed you Silicon Mix, Organic Deep Conditioner, Biolage, Olaplex, Lanza K18, and I show you the beautiful hair that we have in stock. So if you would like to buy some hair from us, you also can. You can buy it online. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to leave those links below. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow, make sure you like, make sure you comment. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer them.